Hi everybody, I'm John Nelson with Haas Automation, here to talk to you about milling chucks, now available on HaasTooling.com. Before we get started, I want to say that Mark Terryberry and our video department put together the quintessential video on tool holders titled Tool Holder Essentials. You can find it in our video archives or search Tool Holder Essentials on YouTube. In that video, in the milling chucks section, there's an excellent animation that shows you about how the internals of this tool holder work, and Mark's got some great tips for using them. Milling chucks are really high grip force tool holders. They have a naturally symmetrical design which gives good balance characteristics, and they have very low run out. This is exactly what you need to extend the life of your cutting tools. When they have low run out, each flute of your cutter takes exactly the same amount of material, so the wear is even across that entire tool. Milling chucks are designed to hold one single size tool, and then we have optional collets or straight sleeves that neck down to hold different size tools. This 40 taper tool holder has a 1-inch diameter bore, and then we have sleeves to get you down to 3/4, 5/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 of an inch. The 50 taper version has a 1¼ inch diameter bore with sleeves to get you down to 1 inch, 3/4, 5/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 of an inch. Each tool holder comes with its own spanner wrench to loosen and tighten the tool, and here's how they work. The first thing to do is to back the nut all the way off on the tool holder. Now you'll see there's a gap, and you know that the nut is all the way backed off when the gap between the body and the nut no longer increases. So got it all the way backed off. Now you slide the collet in, and then tool in the tool holder, line up just where we want, and now start tightening the nut. It's going to be good by hand for a little while, and then we're going to need the spanner. Tighten that nut, keep going, and you'll know when it's tight when the nut actually makes contact with the body of the tool holder. You don't want to tighten it any more after that because it's just going to make it harder to loosen it. Now, to release the tool, put the spanner wrench in, get it going the opposite direction. Very tight at first, and then we'll get easier and easier as we go. The key here is to keep going. Don't stop midway. Keep backing this nut all the way off until that gap between the tool holder and the nut no longer increases. Now you're ready to pull the tool and the collet. And that's all there is to it. Okay, now a quick word of caution. By their design, milling chucks have a long gauge length from the face of the tool to where the tool is making contact with the taper. And we know, in general, that the farther your cutting tool is away from the face of the spindle, the more apt you are to develop a vibration when cutting. So just know that with milling chucks, you may need to do a little tweak on your speeds, feeds, depth of cut, or width of cut to eliminate a vibration if you happen to get any. So milling chucks, excellent grip force, low run out, good balance characteristics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.